In this video, I'll show you how you can add DNS records to your Squarespace domain. So once you're on squarespace.com, head over to your profile icon once you've logged in, and then go to domains. From here, you'll see all of the domains that you've got on your account. I'm going to click on this one here, bradleyharrison.com. Now from here, what we can do is we can go to DNS, and we can go ahead and add a DNS record. So if you click add record, you can add it. Now, if you get this error message, it's probably because your domain name servers are set to custom ones. You want to change them back to the Squarespace name servers. Now you've done that, go to DNS settings and you won't have an error message, and you'll be able to then add a new record. So if you go add record, here you can add, let's say we wanted to add a CNAME record, my host will be www, and for the alias data, we can add whatever record we need here. So we'll add this data. You would obviously have your own record that you want to add, and you can click save and you can add one. Now, obviously, if there is already a conflicting record, it's not going to work. And to delete the existing one, you can just click on the trash can icon. Now we should be able to add it, no problem. And there you go, that's how you do it. I hope that helped you out.